All right, so look up, look up, look up. So let's look at this question here. Y equal to exponential this. Now, for this question here, if you're not sure of what to do, listen, if you're not sure of the method, try to take off the most complex thing there. It will give you something simpler. What do I mean? The most complex thing here in this stuff is this dividing this. Now do it this way. Take this one out, replace it with x squared. If I have exponential x squared, obviously I will use what there? The normal chain rule differentiation. The only thing that changes here is now that instead of having x squared, I now have, well, quite something complex. That's if you think it's complex anyways. Something here. So how do I solve this? I'm going to be using chain rule, basically. How do you use chain rule? How do we solve normal exponential? We said let you be what there? Let you be equal to what there? The power. Abi? What's the power there? X squared plus 3 all over what there? 2x plus 4. Now, after calling u the power, what do you do next? Find what there? Du dx. In finding du dx now, that means differentiate this. To differentiate this, what do we use here? Quotient rule. Why quotient rule? Because this is being divided by what there? This. That's it. So we're using quotient rule. Quotient rule. If it's quotient rule, let's do this, please. This becomes what here? U, Abi. This becomes what there? V. Please, what is the u dx? Differentiate this. What do you have here? What do you have there? Good. 2x. The u dx is equal to 2x. What is dv dx? What do you have here? 2. So I'll say if u is equal to this, I'll now say using quotient rule. If I use quotient rule, what do I have there? I'll have that du over dx is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx all over what there? V squared. This is quotient rule. Please check. What's v? What's v? So 2x plus 4. This is v. What is the u dx? The u dx is 2x minus what's u? X squared plus 3. That's u. What is the v dx? 2 all over what there? V squared. What's v squared? V is 2x plus 4. V what there? Squared. All right. Expand this. What do you have here? 2x times 2x. 4x squared. Add the squared. X squared. 2 times 2. 4. X times x. X squared. Plus 6. 4 times 2x. 8x. Minus 2 times x squared gives you what there? Minus 2x squared. Again, minus 2 times 3 gives you what there? Minus 6. Many persons usually make this mistake. You now say minus 2x squared plus 6. It's not 6. It's not plus 6. It's minus 6. This minus affects 2 and then this. Minus times 2 times x squared minus 2x squared minus times 2 minus 2 times 3 minus 6 all over. What do you have here? 2x plus 4 to the power what there? 2. Please give me finance. This is the finance for what there? Du dx. What's my numerator there? 4x squared minus 2x squared. What do you get there? 2x squared. Next up, plus 8x. Next up, minus 6. All over this. 2x plus 4 to the power what there? All we have done here is just to get the word there, du dx. Okay. So back to my major question. Y also, y will be equal to what there? Oh, yb. Normal chain rule now. We call this u, abi? So y becomes what there? Exponential u. What is dy du? If I differentiate exponential u, what do I get there? All right. So you now say using chain rule. So the major thing there is actually chain rule. Using chain rule, just that while we're using chain rule, we also employ quotient to solve this one. But this is not the main question. Using chain rule, we'll have that dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. You know what's funny about this question? Last class we had, this was a question on its own, Abi? Yes, not last class. This in our last class, this is literally like a question on its own. But today, this is now what there? A sub question. A time will come when this one is itself is a sub question on top. So when I say practice every day, what I'm saying, practice every day. What's the y du? What's the y du? What's the u dx? 2x squared plus 8x minus all over 2x plus 4 all squared. All right. Combine this and this. What do you have there? That will be equal to, of course, I said push exponential to what there? The back. So it becomes what there? 2x squared plus 8x minus all over 2 power then u. What's the final step there? But u. All right. But u. What's u there? Away is big O. Okay, let me write it here. Don't worry, let me use all here. But u is equal to, what's u again there? X squared plus 3 all over 2x plus 4. So what's my final answer? So therefore, dy dx is equal to, what's my final answer there? Let me write it down here. It's equal to what? 2x squared plus 8x plus, sorry please, minus 6, sorry please, minus 6 all over 2x plus 4 all into exponential u. What's u there? All over 2x plus 4. This is my final answer. It's becoming serious. So please follow up. It's becoming serious. So follow up, please. Becoming serious. Please follow up, please.
To get the complete video, simply join the First Year Students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the First Year Students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the First Year Students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description.